Okay, this is kind of a bonus video, or it's actually the fifth video that I have in my series of videos for the training purposes. But I wanted you all to know a little bit more about the free traffic system that I've got going here on the training page, and that goes back to video 3 that we've got there. So take a look here on this page. He's got a really good video on here that this is where I learned it from, and you're going to learn a little bit about it here too. But things have changed a little bit, and Traffic Ad Bar is not being accepted by HitLeap any longer. So what I did is put that down here, that but the problem isn't with Traffic Ad Bar, it's with HitLeap. You must follow these directions with HitLeap when you join me in whichever program you are in. The link you are instructed to paste into your website would normally be that of your Traffic Ad Bar. We're going to make you a special page that will fool them, and you will enter that page in, and bingo, it will work. However, it's a little bit hard for me to tell you how to do that, and people are not following that too well. So I'm going to go back to doing it just the same way. Copy and paste my email address, open up, compose an email, send it to me right there, put in the subject line Ad Bar and HitLeap, and you're going to put in your username. With Traffic Ad Bar, it's just your email address. So whichever email address you register with, you're going to put that in there in the email. Your password with it, and let me know which are which if you change the password or something like that from one to the other, so I know how to get into each of those two accounts. I will make you up a special page that will work with both of those pages to get you a lot of views to your page. And what you're going to have to do, though, is you're going to have a computer. This is all wasted if you don't have a computer to put the traffic, the auto surfer software from HitLeap onto your computer and run it on your computer, because it won't work on a phone, it won't work on an iPad. It does work on a laptop computer because I got it working on my laptop computer, but it is a computer, and that's the main difference with that. So, let's if you have any questions about any of this, just send me the email, give me a call. My number is 931-638-6244. And I'm more than happy to talk to anybody about what we're doing here. Okay, so hope that helps. Thank you.